मैं जितना फ्रीडम को मानती हूँ शायद ही कोई मानता है.
Can you tell me a Bollywood actor who you would love to direct or who you would love to work with? Someone from the younger lot?
You know, the one that I wanted to really work with, I worked with. Vidya Balan. She is my favorite actress.
Male actors.
Male actor?
Male actors, and from the younger lot, who do you feel has the potential to make it?
Yeah, it is. Because all of them have very different, unique dynamics. What I love about the new crop of actors is that they have such strong individuality. You know, Ranveer, Arjun, Varun, Siddharth, so confident and so wonderful. Thinking very hard. I'd like to direct Ranveer Singh. There's something unstoppable about him. He's very potent and he's very, there's this overflowing energy and enthusiasm and zeal about him. I'd like to see whether I could find a way to contain that.
Okay, so we'll wrap this up. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being here.
Savvy is a magazine that has celebrated women for so many years now. They celebrate real women, and I think it's an honor to have featured on this magazine cover. I'm very excited about the interview. It's a very in-depth interview. It's an interview that was conducted over a period of a few days. I almost felt like a book was being written about me. But I think it's a very timely interview. I think it's timely because there is so much about my life that I'm willing to share and happy to share. But at the same time, I think it's a lot of the choices I made in the recent past that I hope in some way will inspire more women to make their own choices and not be fearful of having to follow a certain path that has been laid down or has been told as a rule to follow. So I'm very proud of this interview, and I hope that many ladies out there get to read it and are inspired by it.
या जो है कवर में आप काफी खूबसूरत लग रहे हो, तो शूट करने का एक्सपीरियंस
ये फोटोशूट सैवी के लिए एक्सक्लूसिवली नहीं हुआ था, पर जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि ये तस्वीरें एक बैंक से चुनी गई हैं, लेकिन इंटरव्यू जो है इस मैगज़ीन का जो मेरे साथ हुआ है वो आई थिंक बहुत अरसे बाद इतना इन डेप्थ, इतना डिटेल्ड, इतना खूबसूरत इंटरव्यू हुआ है.
अच्छा, मैगजीन में मेंशन किया है कि फ्रीडम स्पेशल, तो आप फ्रीडम को कैसे मानती है? जैसे कि अभी
मेरे कंपनी का नाम, जो मेरी फिल्म कंपनी है, उसका नाम बॉर्न फ्री है. मैं जितना फ्रीडम को मानती हूँ शायद ही कोई मानता है. आई थिंक जितने भी क्रिएटिव लोग हैं इस दुनिया में जो कुछ बदलाव लाने का, कुछ अच्छा कर दिखाने का एहसास रखते हैं, वो सब इस बात से सहमत होंगे कि विदाउट फ्रीडम देयर इज़ नो फॉर्म ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन. यू नीड टू बी फ्री टू बी एबल टू एक्सप्रेस योर सेल्फ टोटली, एंड real independence comes when you're fearless.
Diya, just now you said that you love the role of playing daughter. Now you're going to be a wife. So are you somewhere feeling that nervousness and excited?
I'm excited about the role of wife. I think it's a role that I'm happy to assume because it's for a man that I totally believe in and love and respect. So I'm actually very, very excited about this new phase in my life. And that's the beauty of being a woman. There are so many roles that we kind of assume so organically, so effortlessly, and I think that's what completes us, and that's what makes us feel the way we do.
Right now everything must be going crazy in your family, like wedding shopping, and how do you manage? And I'm seeing that you're still looking so gorgeous, and you're saying that you're unwell.
I'm very unwell. I've got a bad viral infection. No, it's really, I think for anything in life, as an individual, we make the time, we feel the energy because we want what we're doing or we love what we're doing. And I think I'm very blessed and I'm very grateful to be in a place in life and to be a part of a work sphere and to have the personal relationships that I do that make me happy. And I think there's nothing more. There's really nothing more that you can be grateful about than to find yourself in a space in life where you're happy with everything that's happening about you.
But same time
around
you
you.
kind of mentioned loss and silver screen. When you coming to silver screen?
Only you ask me this question. For all the people who keep asking this question, it's not that I don't want to act. I just love making films now, and there is only that much time in the day. But and the kind of roles that are being offered, if there was one that compelled me enough to get me out of my office to want to be on the big screen, I would totally do it. But I will be featuring in at least one film next year, and that's a promise I made to myself because I miss being in front of the camera.
Okay, ma'am. Lastly, do you think ये interview पढ़ने के बाद लोग आपके बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ जान पाएंगे?
Of course. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, ये इंटरव्यू काफ़ी इन डेप्थ इंटरव्यू रहा है. मैं खुद पढ़ना चाहती हूँ. I'm very very intrigued to see how this interview has unfolded. क्योंकि मैंने नहीं देखा है अभी तक. Actually आज मैंने पहली बार कवर भी देखा. तो मैं खुद पढ़ना चाहूँगी और देखना चाहूँगी कि विनोदनी ने किस तरह इस इंटरव्यू को प्रकट किया है.